If you've been thinking about starting a 360 photo booth business, this video is your complete step-by-step guide. I'll walk you through everything you need to know so you can launch and book clients. If you stick around to the end, I will show you how to start making money quickly without wasting time or making the most common costly mistakes. What makes a 360 booth so powerful isn't just that it's another photo booth, it's the experience. Guests step onto a platform, the arm spins around, and what comes out isn't just a photo. It's a cinematic slow motion video that feels like something out of a music video. That unique video experience is what sets it apart. People don't just take their video and forget about it, they instantly want to share it. And that's why 360 videos went viral on social media in the first place. They're fun, they're dynamic, and they're the kind of content people actually want to post on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And here's the key. When your clients' guests share those videos, your brand is right there with it. Every clip becomes free advertising. That viral nature is what makes a 360 booth such a powerful tool for creating an unforgettable experience and building a business that markets itself. I first discovered 360 booths back in 2021. I saw them on social media, and honestly, I wasn't sure if it was just another passing trend. I didn't want to drop thousands of dollars on something that might disappear in a year. Now, for context, I've been in the photo booth industry for over 10 years. My team and I have worked thousands of events, from weddings to corporate galas to private parties. So I've seen trends come and go, and I know what it takes to run a profitable, long-term business in this space. That's why I didn't jump in right away. I waited. I watched the market. I asked other photo booth owners about their demand, and I paid attention to the leads I was already getting. By 2022, I started seeing real consistent requests from my own clients. That's when I finally pulled the trigger and got my first 360 booth. One of the biggest mistakes people make is jumping in too early, treating it like buying penny stocks. My advice to you is to do your research first. Make sure there's demand in your area, because when there's demand and you can be the supply, that's where the money is. Let's start with your booth. One of the first mistakes I see people make is buying cheap gear just to get started. On paper, it looks like a money saver. In reality, it creates a ton of frustration at your event. For example, your 360 spin controller may or may not work properly with your 360 app to create the videos. Then you'll need a completely separate sharing app just so guests can receive their videos. On top of that, you're piecing together random clamps using multiple remote controls to get things recorded and started, cables everywhere, and DIY fixes just to keep the 360 running. And when you're under pressure at a live event, that kind of setup is a nightmare. Take it from me, I've been there. Troubleshooting cables, wireless connections while guests are waiting in line is not a good look. That's why my recommendation right now is the PhotoBooth Supply Co. 360 Tortilla Booth. It's lightweight, simple, easily fits in a car, and built with quality. No nonsense. If you want to get started the right way, this is the booth I recommend. To get the best pricing available right now, click in my special PhotoBooth CEO link in the description below. That way, you're not just saving money, you're setting yourself up with a booth that works right away. And if you're still figuring it out where to begin, I also created a free quick start guide to starting a photo booth business. It lays out the essentials so you don't have to miss anything in the early stages. You can grab that for free in the description below. Once you've got your booth, you need to package it. Don't just throw out a price, create an experience. Your package should include unlimited spins, instant sharing, studio lighting, professional attendance, and branded overlays. This is where you can stand out. Offer upsells like corporate logos for branding or adding in an open-air modern printing photo booth. When you position your package as a premium experience, you attract better clients and charge premium rates. Next, you need a strong brand. That means a professional name, a clean logo, and a website that actually shows what you do. Don't just list your services. Show video clips and photos of real 360 experiences in action. You can't sell what you don't show. Now, I know a lot of new owners get stuck here because you don't have the events yet and you're not sure what to post to look professional. That's why I put together something special just for you. A ready-to-use 360 promotional video and a full marketing kit. It's designed so you can start promoting your business right away, even if you haven't done your first event yet. You'll be able to look professional, attract clients faster, and skip the stress of figuring it out on your own. You can check it out down in the description below. Now let's talk about your first clients. The easiest way is to start with the people closest to you. Family, friends, or existing vendor connections. You can reach out to event planners, bridal expos, or local corporate event managers. In the beginning, it's okay to offer free discounts or offer free additional hours just to build your portfolio. The key is to use every event as a marketing opportunity, collect testimonials and reviews, record video clips, and capture guest reactions. That proof will send your next event for you. If you're not capturing it, you can't sell it. All right, step number 5, build systems early. This is where a lot of business owners mess it up. They wait too long to build systems. From the beginning, you should have simple booking processes in place. Use CRMs and softwares like Honeybook or QuickBooks to handle contracts, invoices, and payments. Your workflow should be crystal clear. Inquiries come in, you send the proposal, they sign the contract, pay a retainer payment, and then you confirm. I'm gonna say it one more time. You send the proposal, they sign the contract, they pay a retainer payment, and then you confirm. That's your pipeline. And if you don't already have contracts in place, don't worry, I've got you covered. I put together a free contract template you can download right now for free. This will give you a solid foundation and protect you from costly mistakes with clients. The link is in the description below. And as you grow, document your process. That way you can bring on attendance and hand things off without reinventing the wheel every event. Step number 6, scale your business. Once you've got a system in place, that's when you scale and raise your prices. Aim for consistent weekly bookings. Start training attendants so you're not working every single event yourself. And when you're ready, add additional booths like open air mirrorless booths, glam booths, or even roaming booths to give clients more options and increase your revenue streams. Scaling is not about working harder. It's about building smarter systems that let you grow without burning you out. Before we move on, here are some of the biggest mistakes I see. Undercharging and burning yourself out. Buying cheap gear that don't work seamlessly, clunky setups, and fails you when you need it the most. Not collecting retainer payments or deposits which will cost you. And not trying to get new bookings at events, which is leaving future business on the table. If you can avoid these mistakes, you'll already be way ahead of most new business owners. So let's quickly run this back through what we covered. First, choose reliable gear so you're not stuck troubleshooting at your event. Check out my links in the description below. Second, package your 360 booth as an experience, not just a service or counting hours. Third, build a strong brand that looks professional online and on social media. Fourth, focus on getting those first few bookings to build your experience and portfolio. 5, set up systems early so you're not scrambling later. And 6, once you have your foundations, start scaling by raising your prices, adding booths, and building your team. If you keep these steps in mind, you'll save yourself months of trial and error and set yourself up for real growth. What I've learned is that starting a business isn't just about following a checklist. It's about the journey you're on. And if you have ever felt like every challenge is a battle or every event is a test of your strength, you're not alone. That's why I created another video where I compare starting a business to the journey in Demon Slayer. Even if you're not an anime fan, you're going to see yourself in this story. You'll see why every obstacle makes you stronger, why building a team matters, and why having a why keeps you fighting. So before you go, click right here to watch that video. It will inspire you, challenge you, and remind you that you're not alone in this journey.